He loves sleeping next to me.
Isn't he crazy? Why is he get on top of you and do that? I couldn't tell who was snoring, him or you. Or both.
His buddy.
What?
He's my little buddy.
Man and pug dog. Man and pug dog. Man and pug dog. Look at this upside down pug. He's just weird, Donald. Look at this. The pug is laying with his head upside down.
Wow.
Unfortunately, there's not enough light, so you can't see it. You can only see his little weenie and the little legs sticking out.
Weenie.
Look, let me see if I can get it. No, it's not enough light. I can see your face, and I can't see him because he's down in there. You can't see him.
He's dead.
You can't see him.
There's no more.
You need a flashlight.
There's no more dog.
Yeah, you can't see his head. But his head is right down. You can see his body like that, and then he's laying down his head. That's just bizarre. Omar! Lou! Chicken!
He's dead to the world.
Chicken! Chicken! Omar, chicken! His little paws are up. His head down there, you can't see, it's not a light.
He's awake now.
Omar, chicken!
Okay, Omar, go.
Chicken! Chicken!
Omar's like,
The pug is awaked. He's awakened. The pug has awakened. Check out the pug stretching out. Holy crap! This is one for the Guinness books. Look at this. One paw, legs straight out. Now what's going to happen? Does the man want to get up? The pug doesn't want to. Look at the pug. Look at this. Legs, arms straight up and legs straight out. If only we could see his cute face. What? Is he still asleep?
He's asleep.
Why is he doing that? He's weird.
He doesn't want to wake up. Come on, Omar, wake up.
You're weird, Omar. I wish I could see his effing face. I can see your face and you can't see the pug's face because it's down in there. But it's hysterical. You can see his body.
Okay, Omar, it's time to wake up.
Omar, look. Look at the screen. Look. Look. Chicken. 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 Bark, bark.
Omar's like, fuck that. I want to go back to sleep.
Oh, get up. It's ridiculous. Let him get up so we can end this. I can't use up all my film.
Get Omar, get up. Time to get up.
Come here. Let me look at him. Chicken. Omar, look. Look. Chicken. Omar. Chicken. Omar, look. Look at me. Look at mommy. Look at mommy. Chicken. Let me look. No, don't get my cheese. Don't get my monster cheese I just bought. Come here. Good boy. He'll go after my damn cheese. Come here, look at me, Omar. Look, chicken. Omar, chicken. Omar, look at me. Look. Chicken. Omar. No, get out of the cheese. No, get out. No, get out of the cheese. Get out of that cheese. No. Omar, come here. Get out of mommy's cheese.
Put him in the kitchen.
Put him in the kitchen. King Omar is on the black chair. You know what King Omar does? When somebody gets up, they're watching a movie and they get up, he gets right up on that chair like he is the king. Omar, chicken.